Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever found yourself stuck in this spiral of, oh, I'll do it later, only to realize hours or even days have gone by, well, this video is for you. So today, we're breaking down how to beat procrastination with ChatGPT. As always, don't forget to check the pinned comment for extra resources and tips to help you overcome procrastination and stay productive. Let's jump right in. One of the biggest reasons we procrastinate, feeling overwhelmed. We look at a task like writing a 10-page paper or launching a project and freeze. But ChatGPT right here, our old buddy right here, can actually help you reframe the task into manageable bite-sized steps. Here's a simple prompt you can try right over here. Okay, so I would ask ChatGPT to break down like the process of 10-page college research paper on, let's say, the topic of psychological causes of procrastination, due in 2 weeks. Yes, that's kind of a lot of pressure. 10-page college research paper, that would put me in a lot of stress if I were in that shoe in the real life. And I would ask for step-by-step daily plan, realistic time estimates, include time for research, outlining, oh, writing, editing, and final review. Okay, so let's send this off and see how ChatGPT would break down for us. Alrighty, okay, so here are the following. So as you can see here, week 1, research and planning, days 1 to 7. Day 1, reread the prompt, brainstorm. See, they're like bite size of these tasks for you to do with your research paper. So you can see with each of the days right there, estimate time, not 2 to 5 hours, 2.5 hours. One right here. By day 5, create a detailed outline. Okay, day 6, day 7, and then going to week 2, writing, editing, and final review. See, easy as that. For day 9, for revisions, day 12, and day 14, final submission. And there are some extra tips down here. See, as you can notice and you witness right here, look at that. And yep, ChatGPT right here got this step-by-step roadmap, so it becomes way easier to get started. Just pick the first step, set a timer, and go. You'll notice the overwhelm starts to shrink immediately. Hope that would help. All right, so for this, let's say you have a plan, just like this one, but you're still not doing it. That's where a little accountability can go a long way. And guess what? ChatGPT right over here can act as your built-in accountability buddy. Here's a prompt you can use right here. You can just type it in, you can just copy and paste it like this one. No worries, I'll have this under the video in the description, and here's what it says. Act as my daily productivity coach for the next 7 days. Each morning at 9 a.m., ask me what I plan to do today to make progress on my 10-page paper about, yep, you guessed it, psychological causes of procrastination. Oh, funny. So I'll follow up every hour between 10 a.m. and 5 p.m. to check on my progress and encourage me based on my previous answers. Okay, so with this, it would turn ChatGPT again into your own productivity companion. It checks in, nudges you forward, and reminds you what you said you would do. Okay, so let's send this off right now. See how this goes. All right, just give it a minute or a few seconds. All right, says I'll be your daily productivity coach for the next 7 days. Okay, and yep, as you'll see, let's crush this paper together starting tomorrow. at 9 a.m. See you then. Okay, let's say time skip forward. Like, okay, I would say good morning. Then it is 9 a.m. Now, what should I do first? Okay. Bear with me. My E key is broken. All right, let me send this over. There we go. So, as you'll see, ChatGPT provided you with day one focus right here. There's the list. And yeah, so as you can see, the key here is consistency. Just keep that chat open, respond to the hourly check-ins, and treat it like you would a real accountability partner like ChatGPT is. So you'll start noticing the pressure to avoid tasks slowly lifting. See? And there are a few details here and ChatGPT to help you out. And yeah, so if you find this video helpful so far, don't forget to subscribe to get notified whenever we post a new video. And if you could take just 2 seconds to smash that like button, it would help us get traction in the YouTube algorithm. Sometimes you need a little emotional nudge, something that reminds you why you wanted to start in the first place. Now, ChatGPT right here can help you visualize your future success, which can be surprisingly motivating. You can try out this simple prompt right over here. So, I would say, for instance, be asking to ChatGPT, imagine I just submitted my 10-page research paper on the psychological causes of procrastination and got an A. Okay, that's really good. So now I want ChatGPT to write like a short, vivid paragraph describing how I feel, what I'm doing to celebrate, and how this success impacts my confidence and motivation going forward. Okay, so this technique might work. It all depends on what ChatGPT would say. Now, with this, because it would connect your task with a reward, it shifts your mindset from I have to do this to I want to experience this. All right, let's send this off right now and see what ChatGPT would said. And yep, as you'll see right here, it says you hit submit, and for a moment the world holds its breath, and then it exhales in a rush of triumph. You did it. 10 pages. An A. Weight lifts like a fog clearing at dawn. Like, it's actually a really good feeling. I can imagine that. So another said, you're sprawled across your bed now, laughing into your pillow, the thrill of success buzzing through your chest like a live wire. Maybe you treat yourself to your favorite takeout. Maybe you blast that song that makes you feel unstoppable. Relatable. Anyways, but whatever you do, it feels earned. This one isn't just a grade, it's a line in the sand. Proof that discipline can beat doubt. Confidence swells, motivation hums louder, and suddenly the next challenge, it doesn't look so intimidating anymore. See? Just keep that visualization somewhere visible. With this one right here, you could read it when you're tempted to procrastinate. It can help you re engage emotionally with your goal, and it could push through those moments of resistance. See, it actually is effective to me upon reading it. So, yeah, there you have it. 3 ways to beat procrastination using ChatGPT. Break down the task, build accountability, and boost motivation. Use them together, and you'll be surprised how much progress you can make in a single day. Until next time, everybody, and I'll see you in the next video.